Boom! Yes, once again, we're back in the kitchen with Judd. It's time for another episode of Cooking with Judd. I told you I was done with pork, but I had an idea of something I want to do. I've got several nice hunks of this pork that I froze up from that big slab, if you remember. And what I decided I wanted to do was to sear the sides and bottom of it before I throw it into the oven and go ahead with the previously successful baking or roasting, I don't know what you call it, meat in the oven type of thing. So I'm craving a hunk of meat tonight, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So as you can see, a beautiful, beautiful hunk of pork here. And we'll just go ahead and drop that in there. And make a little better contact. Probably should have done that before, but roll that a little bit. Okay. Having trouble on camera button. Okay, we've got a little bit of sear on there. I'm probably going to do a little more on that side. I got it set in the deeper fat now, so it's cooking up better. I'll flipped it, and I don't know how long you're supposed to sear something. I want it to look really brown, but I don't know if I'm going to get that. I'm sure the comments will let me know. Haha! Okay, I used the timer and went for a full 2 minutes on that side. I don't see a whole lot of difference. So, do another minute on this side, and then I'll do another minute on the bottom, and then throw it into the oven, which is up to temp now. As much searing as I think I can do, and I shall now get ready to bake it. Alright, so there she is. I got extra bit of fat and lay that neatly on top of it all. Stick that in the oven, and again we're going 35 was time for this, and because it's from frozen we're going to add 50%, so that 35, 42, 52 we want to go to. There you go. We'll see how that comes out. Okay, time is up. Time to find out where's the beef. But guess what? The beef ain't here, because this is pork. Oh, look at that. Ha, that's looking good. Stick a meat thermometer. Stick it into the fattest part of the little thingy there. And bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Oh, 150. 160. Oh boy, we went too long. 162. Okay, we overcooked. I'm sure it'll be fine anyway. Okay, we'll let that set up for a few minutes and then we'll have at it. Okay, here we go. Supper time. Beautiful hunk of pork loin and some applesauce. Woo! Oh, delicious. Wow. Even better than before. Maybe overcooking is good. Oh, that's nice. Tender, sweet. Just fantastic. There you go. Pork, the other white meat. Or did I already use that one? Happy day to you.